बताइए, आपके बच्चे यहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसी है तालीम यहाँ पर?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम सलमा है। मैं माहिरा के पेरेंट्स हूँ। 3rd क्लास में पढ़ लेके है वो। माशाल्लाह से 2nd स्टैंड में मैं इनको एडमिशन कराई थी। माशाल्लाह से बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आया उनके अंदर। टीचर्स का जो बिहेवियर है सब माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा है। जो एक्टिविटीज़ है सब माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा है। बहुत इम्प्रूव करके है मेरी बेटी। जो प्रीवियस स्कूल्स में डाल के थी उससे तो बेटर CBSE सिलेबस, और ये प्राइस में तो माशाल्लाह हर कोई पेरेंट्स अफोर्ड कर सकते उतना अच्छा इन एडमिशन्स का फैसिलिटीज़ देखो ही। और ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा एडमिशन एक साथ बनना चाहिए, 3 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स भी देकर है वो। तो हर कोई पेरेंट्स अच्छा ये चाहिए, तालीम चाहिए तो ये स्कूल में एक बार विज़िट कर सकते हैं कि बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा हर दिन एक सीखने को मिलता है। और टीचर्स का जो बिहेवियर है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ वो बहुत अच्छा है। पहले स्कूल में तो मेरी बेटी को वो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था, टीचर्स ऐसा बिहेव कर रहे वैसा बिहेव कर रहे। इधर से माशाल्लाह से 2 साल हो गया कंप्लीट, अब तक मुझे वो कंप्लेंट नहीं आई। टीचर्स भी बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं। अगर कुछ भी स्टूडेंट डल है करके उसको पीछे नहीं छोड़ते, साथ में लेके चलते हैं। तो कोई भी पेरेंट्स जो CBSE ढूंढ रहे हैं अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में, तो ये स्कूल में मस्ट विजिट करना। इसका 2 ब्रांचेस है, एक तनीसंद्रा में और एक हिन्नौर में। प्रिंसिपल्स होंगे, टीचर्स होंगे, माशाल्लाह सब बहुत कोऑपरेटिव करते हैं।
कितने बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं आपके?
एक ही बेटी है मेरी।
I am Sukhada Das, principal of Broad Vision World School, Hennur, and it's my immense pleasure that today in this auspicious occasion we got the opportunity to expose our school brand and even to expose our school name and whatever the activities, what are the curriculum, what syllabus we provide to the students, and what is the extra facilities comparing to other school, what we are provide to the students, that we are just showcasing over here. And I would like to thank the organizer and even our management who has given this opportunity to us to showcase our students' talent and even the system of the Broad Vision World School. So I would just like to say Broad Vision World School, why it is different from the other school, because as you know the new educational policy depends on the thematic education, and the new educational policy has given the instruction that school only should not go for the book learning, and the curriculum should not follow only with the book learning. The students should get the out knowledge, the kind of aptitude knowledge and the IQ knowledge according to the subjects. And one more thing I can say, the total the education system of the Broad Vision, it is completely thematic learning and completely depends on the practical things. We are not only following the theories, each and every subject and the chapter always follow the practical as well as the theory things. I will give one example here. Suppose one chapter we are teaching to the students, and we are not only giving them the writing the homework, classwork. Everywhere we see that after teaching the chapter, the teachers will get the outcome learning through the classwork and homework. But apart from the classwork, homework, here our teacher, they put their effort and they create the kind of worksheet which is related to the chapter, but totally it is aptitude based, which will improve the children IQ level. This is coming to our all academic, and when we will come to the activities, as you know, nowadays the children, the government, our central government, our honorable prime minister, they are always giving priority that the students should not stress for the education. So all the organizations should be stress-free organizations, stress-free education they have to provide. So in that way, we also make the activities, which are the activities are related to our academic. As I can say one example, like we conduct the science exhibition, we conduct the academic expo. I'll just give a small brief explanation about the academic expo. Throughout the year, the students will learn all the subjects. So they will learn from the book and they will get the knowledge. So end of the year, what the students will do, what they are learning, they have to make the projects. The subject teacher will teach them how they will explain the subject, how they will explain the chapter by showcasing the projects, the practically how they will expose their knowledge about the chapter. So that is only we always do the year end of the year, that is only academic expo. And apart from that, we prioritize all the languages. Not only, now the NEP says that we have to give more importance on the regional language. So we always encourage our student to they have to improve their own mother tongue. Such as we are the CBSE affiliated school, we people always get different language student, different state student. So for that we always give a priority to the students to learn all the language, get more depth on all the language, such as Hindi, English, Urdu, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. So we have the CCA activity and we have the mother language day. We celebrate the mother language day. In that we will encourage the student to speak something with their own mother language, write something with their own mother language, and some kind of creativity they have to do with their own mother language.
Message to parents.
Yeah. I can say that nowadays, if we will see, every corner you will get one school. In India, the private organizations are growing like, how very rapidly it is growing. Every corner we will have one competitor. But thing is that apart from observing the infrastructure and the circumstance of the school, the parents should also understand and they should also go through the quality of the education. That is very, very important. And now the quality matter a lot, because children, this now the AI is, I can say the technology is growing a lot. So it is improving like anything. That is what the parents should understand, where the study is simultaneously along with the technology, and where the academic is helping the children to improve their IQ level, how they will cope up with the day-to-day technology, and how they will create themselves, the self-entrepreneurship and even their self-confidence, how it will grow with the help of the organizations, academic the school will give to the children, how it will help them to grow their own entrepreneurship and even the aptitude, like the IQ level, how to cope up with the today's technology.
What is your name and designation, ma'am?
Yeah, I am Sukhada Das and I am the principal of the Broad Vision World School.
Learning environment of the school.
Sorry, sir? Yeah, learning environment, as I told, like it is fully depends on the thematical learning and practical things rather than the book learning and the theory.
Okay.